Okay guys, look what I have in my hands today. I've got Ridgid's new tile leveling system. This is Ridgid Level Max tile leveling system for large format tiles. It looks very similar to Spin Doctor. I'm not sure how much of a patent protection they have, but we're gonna compare the two and do a quick demonstration on how these work. All right, let's compare the actual product here. This is Ridgid. A 1/16 inch base spacer, and there's your spindle cap. Install this tile on top, spin that down to level the tiles out. Now this is Spin Doctor's system. I have to say they look nearly identical. You've got a 1/8 inch base here. Got your spindle mechanism here. Install with tile. Tighten that down as well to level out. So as you can see, the systems look nearly identical. The bases as well as the tops. All right guys, let's do a quick price comparison here. Okay, as you can see, 100 caps and 100 bases with your Spin Doctor, you're looking around $52. Now this is average online. Ridgid, 100 caps and 100 bases, you're looking around $30. This is average online. So Ridgid obviously has the better price point here. Okay guys, let's do a quick demonstration on how Ridgid Level Max tile leveling system works. Now I don't have any scrap, large format, 12 by 24, 20 by 20. All I have is 12 by 12. It's gonna have to do. Here we go. Now there you go. I only have 3 12-inch by 12-inch tiles, but everything is flush. Simple demonstration, very easy to use. Definitely helps with large format tiles as well as wood look porcelain planks. Now to remove the bases is simple. Either use a mallet or your foot and hit or kick the base along with the grout line like so. And there you go. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.